Her voluptuous. Oh God. And I've actually been burping a lot like her lately.
Copycat.
Ah!
My voice is coming
No.
back.
See? Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God.
That's what I thought. It was coming back.
Oh God. It was like psych.
Oh.
I definitely said psych. Like psych. Oh God.
It's a very long story.
Oh no.
But I went through a very, very almost tragic time.
Yeah.
Thank God I'm alive.
Yeah.
So
She did.
I will tell you about it. I really
Yeah.
no.
Mommy, you scared the birds.
So sad. Look at them.
She
Look at
scared
them.
them. Like, what the heck is wrong with this chick?
You see
know?
them? Look.
Oh my God. They're like,
Oh no.
what the heck was that
They're
about?
like, what? You see them? They're
Yes.
like,
Oh my God. He's like, not this time, girl.
where you guys going? Come back here.
I know. Oh my God.
But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. This
Okay.
is another segment of our
Oh God. Maybe that will help clear your throat. Oh God. Are you okay? Oh God.
Come on, I'm trying to see if my regular voice is gonna come back.
It might. That's how I was like. Oh God.
What D has to do with? I'm so sorry,
It's
my love.
okay.
I need to be so.
Oh God, it's fine. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't
See, you
bother
heard
me.
from her.
It's okay.
Damn, I almost get it. You heard it from her.
Oh
She
God.
said she's not
I'm
She
fine.
loves when I do this. She thinks it's so funny.
It is.
I have to keep her quiet so she doesn't laugh to that.
Yes.
And myself.
Oh God. No.
I love you guys so much.
Yes.
Have a wonderful day.
I love you guys so much too. Thank you for always supporting us.
Yes. And I will see you again very soon.
Oh God. There it goes. And another one. Oh God. Oh God. What was that?
I feel like I have to fart right now.
Oh God, no.
My phone is holding up.
Uh
Here
oh.
comes. It's come back. My voice.
Oh, yay. I was looking around like, who's coming where? What?
It's just
Oh,
my
God.
engagement. Oh, here comes a big one.
Oh God. No. Oh God. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, no. I don't know.